Welcome to the first module of this course. In this module, we are going to discuss about the meaning and concept of the term sex. Whenever you hear the term sex, the concept comes to your mind is the differences between two sexes, that is, male and female. And also, synonymously, we use the term gender along with the sex in our day to day life. For example, if you're asked to fill any application form or Google form or any research tool, you may find the option in that personal data sheet, that is, next to your name, there is a category mentioned as sex, and you are asked to tick or write whether you are belong to the category male or female or third gender. So in these forms, either the category is mentioned as or the variable is mentioned as sex or gender. The options are almost same. That means the sex and the gender are synonymously used in our day-to-day life. But the terms sex and gender are closely linked, yet they are not synonyms. That means sex and gender are two concepts and having different meanings. And we studied in our lower classes, that is sex, that refers to the physical differences between male and female or men and women. And usually the sex is categorized as male and female. And how can we define the sex? We can simply define sex as the natural and biological differences between men and women based on the differences in the organs related to reproduction. So, in addition to that, we can say that the sex is the differences between male or female based on the reproductive organs and its functions, and anatomy of the body, and chromosomes, and also hormones. So, we can say that sex refers to the physical and biological differences between men and women. So physical differences means the anatomically, shape wise, structure wise, how male and female are different. And biologically, the differences between the two sexes, that is male and female, that is based on chromosomes and hormones. And chromosomes, you all studied in your high school classes. What are the chromosomes present in the male and female? And how can we differentiate male and female on the basis of chromosomes? That is XX and XY. XX denotes female and XY denotes male. And also hormones, that is testosterone and estrogen. So even though these two hormones are present in both sexes, but based on the amount, based on the higher level of testosterone as men and low higher level of estrogen, that is mentioned as female. And also, sex is the ascribed status. That means by birth you got that status. You can't change it. So we can conclude that the sex is the physical and biological differences between the two sexes, and especially men and women, based on the differences between the reproductive organs, hormones, structure, anatomy,